As domestic flights resumed at airports across India this morning after 2 months, there was confusion and chaos, particularly in Mumbai and in Delhi as well as other cities after a large number of flights had to be cancelled. Passengers complained that they did not get notifications from the airlines. 82 flights to and from Delhi have been cancelled. Angry passengers at Terminal 3 of Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport claimed that they weren't informed until the very last minute. There were similar scenes at Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. Several passengers were seen sitting outside the terminal even after their flights were cancelled, with no public transport available to take them home. Let's get the latest from Purva joining us right now for more. Purva, what has it been like at the airport? Passengers, a lot of them you talked to, talking about how they had organized private cars, families, family members, friends to drop them off to the airport, but then they learnt about flight cancellations and now they're literally stranded.
Absolutely. In fact, since morning we've been talking to a lot of passengers, first at the departure terminal, where a lot of passengers complained that they somehow could manage to get to the airport, but after coming to the airport the flight was cancelled and there was no notification which was sent. In fact, till last night, yesterday, there was complete confusion and chaos whether the flights will take off or not, whether the flights will land into Mumbai or not, and there was no indication to the passengers. But somehow, even if they could manage to the airport, there is a problem that the flights were cancelled. Now, another problem at the Mumbai airport was that since Mumbai being a complete red zone, the taxis and autos and the public transport is not permitted at this point of time. That is one problem that the passengers are facing, and that in fact is the major problem, that they are not able to find a transport to take them from the airport to their destination or from the destination to the airport. So the last mile connectivity is a big problem at the Mumbai airport, and a lot of people are even stranded for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, not knowing what exactly to do. If the flight is getting cancelled, then how to go back, and if at all they are arriving, there are some taxis which are being arranged at the airport. There's a taxi counter, but the passengers complain that the charges are exorbitant, and that is why it is, they thought that they would get out and they will find a taxi or an auto somewhere, but it is not the case, and a lot of people just are stranded. And I spoke to a few of them, so let's just listen in what they have to say. Well, people have started arriving in Mumbai, and now one of the major issues at this moment that people are facing is that there are no taxis or autos which are readily available. Now, normally this is the auto and the taxi stand where you would normally find a queue of autos which will be on this side of the road, and now you can see that there is not a single auto which is available because Mumbai being a red zone, the government has not allowed any taxis or autos to ply by, and right now also you can see it is completely empty. The taxi stand, the auto stand is completely empty, and even at the bus stand some people are waiting, but even the buses are not coming on time, and people are finding it difficult to go home. Like some are trying to arrange for private vehicles, and some passengers were telling us that there were some cabs which were available for some of them, but for exorbitant price. And
I am searching for auto stand, but कुछ भी तो नहीं मिल रहा है. I am coming from Bangalore, but डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट जब चल रहा है तो कुछ ना कुछ तो सुযোগ सुविधा देना चाहिए जो आम आदमी के लिए. कुछ ऑटो, बस और कुछ ओला, उबेर को तो कुछ व्यवस्था होना चाहिए, बट इधर कुछ भी नहीं है. हम लोग हेल्पलेस है. अभी कैसे जा सकते हैं, कुछ भी नहीं आपको पता है हम लोगों को.
कब से आए हैं आप? कितना टाइम हो गया आप यहाँ पे?
इधर 30 मिनट्स तो हो ही गया. हम लोग इधर खड़ा है, बट कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा.
So she's saying that she's finding it very difficult to find a taxi.
मैं इनको कोऑपरेट कर रहा हूँ, पर रास्ते में कोई दिक्कत आया तो.
अच्छा, लेकिन इनके पास तो वो स्टैम्प भी है हाथ में.
कोई पुलिस वाला रोका या फिर मुझे कोई पुलिस वाला रोका तो मैं क्या बोलूँगा उनको? लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, फिर दिक्कत होगा.
मैं आधे घंटे से वेटिंग कर रहा हूँ. बेंगलुरु फ्लाइट से मेरा लड़का आ रहा है, उसको पिकअप करने के जब कोई साधन अवेलेबल नहीं है, इसके लिए पिकअप करने के लिए बाइक से आया हूँ. तो लड़के ने सर्च किया, ओला उबेर कोई भी सुविधा नहीं है जबकि, और कोई प्राइवेट वाला नहीं ले रहा। इसके लड़के ने फ़ोन किया तो हमें यहाँ पे मजबूरी में भांडुप से आना पड़ा
जी
पिकअप करने के लिए।
टैक्सी ऑटो का भी कोई इंतजाम नहीं, बेंगलुरु से मैं आ रहा हूँ।
अंदर वो एक अकबर कैब है पर वो बहुत
वो भी
एकदम
मनमाने
चार्जेस बहुत
charges
ज्यादा है।
और
कितनी मांग रहे हैं, कहाँ जाना है
1200 कांदीवली के 1200 मांग रहे हैं।
एंड नॉर्मली कितना मिल रहता है?
431 पे उबर है एसेंशियल, बट उबर का नो कार अवेलेबल आ रहा है अभी।